Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame, obviously, we've been pushing up the last several trading days, but we definitely do not have a breaker structure up yet. The only thing we know for sure right now is that this wave down right here is complete. So, is this pullback a pullback, or is this move up a pullback to that wave down, as in we're going to turn at a fib level and continue down? Or is it going to go up and take out this structure, which would prove that we have a trend reversal on the daily time frame? Right now, if you were trading like the 1 hour range and below, I would be looking for longs. And while you're looking for longs, if it keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, never gives you a break of structure, it just keeps on going up, eventually breaking the daily time frame structure, that's great news. If you're looking for longs and it goes to a Fibonacci retracement level and breaks structure to the downside, then you would simply stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So obviously right now we should be looking for logs. I wouldn't really be trying to go long right here. I'd be trying to go long on all these pullbacks, but we definitely need to keep in mind that the daily trend is technically still down. So if we get a break to the downside or a significant lower high at a Fibonacci level, we definitely want to stop looking for longs and go back to looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.